JB? Yes, this is the chief. Listen, we've got another situation. The timer's ticking down, leaking radiation, reaching an unacceptable temperature. JB, this is the last one out there. Beware, though. There are others fighting over it. Like usual, we don't have a lot of time, but I have something very important to tell you.
I don't have time!
We have... JB?
What do you think you're doing? I've got to get to the timer before it explodes!
You, of all people, should know the only way it can be done. Surprising.
Very surprising. I don't have time for this!
Neither do I.
Click.
I gotta reload!
Bang, bang, bang. Pow, pow, batarang. Bang, 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 batarang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, pow, pow. Bang, bang, click, click, click.
Looks like he's out.
Tell me what you know!
George C. Gordon Library. But it's impenetrable!
Nonsense! The friendly staff and courteous librarians, they're always on hand to answer my questions. It makes everything very accessible.
But it's almost done.
Then there's less time than I previously anticipated. Where are the periodicals? I know you have information. Give it to me! Don't you go idle on me! The George C. Gordon Library webpage. wpi.edu/academic/library. Find books at WPI using a library catalog. Interlibrary loan with other schools in the consortium. A Gordon Library Facebook page. This has got to tell me the location of the timer. If only I could crack the code. I don't have the time! That's where it is. Of course. There's no time to lose. I don't have time.
Say I'm blowing my top and it ain't from brandy. Somebody run out and get me some candy. Tootsie roll a lollipop. Can't you see that I'm blowing my top?
I need a ride.
Where to?
Should use better time management skills.
Fine, I'll buy the next box. But I'm really hungry, though.
Here's a banana.
Gee, thanks.
Bang!